Welcome back, everybody. We're diving deep today into bag styles.
Ooh, fun.
Yeah, for every occasion.
I love bags.
You know, we had a listener write in and suggest this article called 8 Popular Bag Styles for Every Occasion. And
Wow.
yeah. Wanted to kind of get our take on, not just what bags are popular, but, kind of why certain bags work better for different situations. And
Right. And this article really hit on that,
Yeah.
bags are so much more than just a fashion accessory. Like it's an expression of your personal style.
Yeah.
It's a trusty companion.
Totally.
And it can even be an investment piece.
Oh, I like that. A trusty companion. I like that.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. It looks like we've got 8
Yeah, 8 popular styles.
popular styles of bags that the article highlights. We've got totes.
Yeah.
The classic tote bag. We've got shoulder bags.
Yep.
Crossbody bags. Clutches.
Of course.
Satchels. Backpacks.
Yes.
Hobo bags and wallets.
Right.
So,
We've got a lot to cover.
we do a lot of different styles, and it's interesting because, like a tote, for example, you can dress it up or down.
Yeah.
It comes in all different sizes.
Yeah.
It can go from work to a social occasion.
So versatile.
Yeah. Super versatile.
I always kind of wondered about the history of the tote bag.
Oh, interesting.
Where did that come from?
Yeah.
And how it became such a staple.
Yeah, the word tote actually comes from the African Kikongo word tuta,
Wow.
which means to carry. In the 1940s,
Okay.
LL Bean, introduced their iconic boat and tote bag.
Okay.
And that was designed to carry ice and wood.
What?
I know.
That's wood.
I know. It was sturdy, practical, and surprisingly stylish.
Okay. I love that.
Yeah.
They had such humble beginnings.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got a long history
Yeah. A really interesting history.
of the tote bag.
Mm-hmm.
But speaking of,
Yeah.
bags and occasion.
Matching. Yeah. The article dives into this whole concept of, what styles kind of naturally fit
I love that.
certain settings.
Yeah, let's get into that.
Okay.
So for work or business settings,
Yeah.
they say totes and satchels
Makes sense.
are the way to go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because you need
something spacious and organized. with
all your work stuff.
work stuff. Yeah.
But also, I think when it comes to work bags,
Yeah.
material is important.
Yeah.
Like a satchel in a full-grain leather, so durable, develops a beautiful patina over time.
Yeah.
Like a really sophisticated,
That makes a statement.
yeah, definitely elevates your
Yeah.
professional look.
See, I've never really thought about leather types before.
Yeah.
You just think leather bag, but there's
So many.
just so much more to it.
Like full grain,
Yeah.
hot grain, suede, nubuck,
Wow.
all different kinds of textures and durability.
It sounds like choosing the right leather bag could be like a whole other
Could be.
deep dive.
Its own deep dive.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a whole world of craftsmanship
Yeah.
and artistry behind leatherworking.
Okay, so we've talked about totes and satchels for work.
Yeah.
What about casual outings?
Okay, good question. So for casual outings,
Yeah.
they recommend cross-body bags and shoulder bags
Okay.
for their hands-free convenience.
Yeah.
And they even suggest adding a pouch to your bag
Oh.
for extra organization.
Oh, I love pouches.
Yeah.
They're so
Really helpful,
It's helpful.
for keeping your phone and your keys and
Yes.
your wallet.
Easy to access.
Yeah. And they come in so many different styles and colors. So it's a nice way to
Personalized.
to kind of add your own
Yeah.
personal touch.
Okay, cool. I love that. What else is great about
Okay, so crossbody bags.
crossbody bags?
Yeah. They're also super versatile when it comes to materials.
Oh, yeah?
You can find them in
Yeah.
canvas,
Uh-huh.
nylon, leather,
Mm-hmm.
even vegan leather options.
Oh, yeah. So many options.
So many options.
Each material have its own look
Right.
and feel right.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
it's about
You can choose what
choosing
to do.
what suits your style
Right.
and the occasion.
Perfect. Okay, so speaking of style,
Yeah.
the article says, for evening events and parties,
Mm-hmm.
clutches are the go-to choice.
Right. Because they're
Yeah.
so sleek
Yeah.
and elegant
Yeah. And compact.
and compact. And you don't need to carry a lot
Yeah.
when you're going to an evening event.
Right. And they highlight
Yeah.
clutches with embellishments like sequins or beads.
Oh, I love a good sparkly clutch.
Ooh, fun.
You know, you can add a pop of personality to a more neutral outfit.
Yeah, and create like a visual impact.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got clutches for evening.
Yes.
What about travel?
Okay, so for travel,
yeah,
they recommend backpacks and spacious totes as the ultimate travel companions.
I've got to say, I'm a big fan of backpacks for travel because it distributes the weight evenly.
Right.
Which is so important when you're carrying a lot.
And they leave your hands free.
Yeah.
Which is
so you can like
navigate the airport.
Yeah, navigate airports and train stations. Yeah.
Modern backpacks are so much more comfortable.
Oh, yeah.
Than they used to be.
So much more ergonomic.
Yeah. And of course, totes.
And totes, they can hold so much.
So much stuff.
Yes, they can.
And you can even use packing cubes.
Oh, yeah.
To keep everything organized inside.
Yes.
Yeah. I love packing cubes.
Me too.
Okay.
And, you know, when it comes to travel bags, durability is key. Look for, like, ballistic nylon.
Okay.
Or ripstop canvas.
Okay.
Like, those are really known for their strength and resistance to wear and tear.
That's a good point, because I'm always so worried about my bags ripping when I'm traveling.
Yeah, I understand. You want something that's going to hold up.
Okay, so we've got travel bags. Speaking of investments, they also talk about formal events.
Right.
And suggest sophisticated clutches in luxurious materials.
Yeah, like a satin.
Yeah.
Or a velvet clutch.
Adds a touch of elegance.
Yeah, so refined.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's interesting, even within the category of formal events, there's so much room for personal expression.
Okay.
You know, you could choose like a classic understated clutch or one with, you know, intricate details and embellishments. So it all depends on your individual style and the overall look you're going for.
I love that. So we've talked about all these different ways that bags fit different occasions.
Different styles for different occasions.
Now let's dive into this idea of like a core collection of must-have handbags.
Love it.
The article suggests starting with a perfect leather bag.
Of course.
Which, let's be honest, is a staple in any wardrobe.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
A classic.
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah. A leather bag is so timeless.
Yeah.
And versatile.
Yeah, but it can be overwhelming.
It can be.
To choose one.
Yeah.
Because there are so many options out there.
So many options.
Yeah.
And they suggest thinking about like a classic tote.
Yeah.
Or a modern shoulder bag. You know?
Yeah.
And then on top of that, there's all the different types of leather.
Right.
Full grain, top grain, suede, nubuck.
There are so many.
Choosing a leather bag.
We could do a deep dive.
We could do a whole other deep dive.
But let's focus on building this capsule collection.
Okay.
So they also recommend an elegant evening clutch.
Oh, yeah.
And I've got to say, I'm a sucker for a like classic black or metallic clutch.
Yeah, they go with everything.
They go with everything.
Yes.
So sleek and sophisticated.
Have you ever thought about branching out and trying like a bold color or a unique texture for an evening clutch?
Yeah, like it could be fun.
That could be fun.
To make a statement.
Yeah.
Like a deep emerald green velvet clutch.
I'm rethinking my whole clutch collection. Okay, so then they suggest a quirky crossbody bag.
For a touch of fun.
Fun and personality.
Yeah. What kind of quirky details come to mind for you?
Well, I think unique shapes are always fun.
Okay.
Like a circular bag.
Yeah.
Or a heart-shaped bag. And then, you know, bold colors.
Yeah.
And interesting patterns can really make a crossbody pop.
Yeah.
Like maybe something with a vintage floral print.
Ooh.
Or like a geometric design.
I love vintage floral.
Yeah.
I'm adding that to my wish list.
Cute.
Okay.
Cute.
And then the last must-have bag in this capsule collection is a statement backpack.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is all about expressing your individuality.
Yeah.
Like it could be bold and colorful.
Okay.
Maybe have some unique prints.
Yeah.
Or textures or even like cool hardware details.
I'm imagining a backpack with like a celestial print. Ooh. Like stars and planets.
Yeah.
And constellations.
Love it.
Yeah. It'd be perfect for like weekend adventures.
Yeah.
And stargaze. So cute. It's so practical and whimsical at the same time.
Yeah. I love that. Okay. So we've talked about building this capsule collection with these 4 essential bags. The leather bag, evening clutch, quirky crossbody
Yes.
statement backpack. You know, the fashion world is constantly evolving.
They're constantly evolving, yes.
What about current trends?
Okay, so they mentioned the resurgence of classic shapes.
Yeah.
Like the Bottega Veneta Andiamo.
Okay.
And the Louis Vuitton Speedy.
Okay.
It's interesting how those iconic bags never really go out of style.
Yeah.
They just keep coming back around.
They're so classic.
Yeah, they're so well crafted.
Yeah.
They have such timeless designs.
It's not just trendy, it's an investment.
Yeah. Yeah.
And speaking of investments, they also touch on like the investment-worthy bags, like the Chanel classic flat bag and the Hermes Birkin.
Of course. Which often hold or even increase in value over time.
Yeah. It's crazy to think that a handbag
it's wild.
Could be an investment.
It's wild, but I get it.
Yeah.
I mean, they're like pieces of art.
They really are.
Yeah, and it's not just the brand name.
Right.
It's the craftsmanship.
The materials.
The material.
The craftsmanship.
Yeah.
The fact that they're designed to last a lifetime.
Right.
You know?
It makes you think about like fast fashion versus slow fashion.
Right. Like investing in a high quality bag, cherished for years, is so much more sustainable than constantly buying trendy bags that fall apart.
Yeah. Like you're investing in
you are.
Quality over quantity.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're appreciating the artistry and craftsmanship behind a well-made bag.
But, you know, the article does say that not everyone is interested in or able to invest in a designer bag.
Of course, not everyone can afford.
Yeah. And that's refreshing to see that acknowledged. Yeah.
It's not about feeling pressured to buy
the
most expensive bag.
Yeah. It's about finding
pieces that you love.
Yeah. And that fit your budget.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Whether you're splurging on a designer bag or finding a hidden gem at a vintage shop, the most important thing is that the bag
makes you feel good.
It makes you feel good.
What really resonates with me from this article is this emphasis on personal style. Yeah. It's not about dictating what's in or out.
No,
it's about
empowering you to make choices that
reflect your
individual personality.
Yes, I love that. It's about understanding, you know, the different styles, the materials,
the sizes,
it's available,
and using those as tools to express yourself.
Yeah, and it's not just about the bag itself.
It's not just about the bag.
Yeah,
it's about how you style it.
Okay, so how would you suggest that someone approach styling a bag to make it feel personal?
I think it starts with considering your overall style.
Okay.
Like, are you drawn to classic looks? Do you love bold colors and patterns? You know, once you kind of have a sense of your personal aesthetic, then you can start to think about how a bag can complement your wardrobe.
That's such a good point.
Yeah.
Yeah, because then it becomes like an extension of your personal style story.
It's an extension of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've talked about a lot in this deep dive.
We have.
You know, matching bags to occasions, building a capsule collection, current trends.
Yes.
The allure of investment pieces.
Right.
I'm curious, what stood out to you the most from all of this information?
Oh, that's a good. You know what really stood out to me?
Yeah.
Was that idea of seeing a bag as an investment.
Yeah.
You know, not just in terms of money, but also in terms of your personal style and sustainability.
Right.
You know, choosing well-made pieces that'll last for years.
Yeah.
It's so much more fulfilling than just chasing fleeting trends.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
And it's not even just about designer bags.
Right.
You can find beautiful, well-made bags at all price points.
Absolutely.
There are amazing artisans and independent designers out there and, you know, creating these stunning bags.
Yeah, with incredible attention to detail.
Yeah, and vintage shops are a treasure trove.
Yes.
You can find bags.
So many unique finds.
There's so much history and character, often for a fraction of the price of a new designer bag.
Yeah, and it's such a more sustainable approach.
Yeah. Giving a pre-loved bag a new life feels good for your style.
It does.
And the planet. It's a win-win.
Yes, it is.
But before we wrap up our deep dive into the world of bags, what's one piece of advice that you would give to our listener who's ready to step up their bag game?
I would say don't be afraid to experiment.
Oh, okay.
And have fun with it.
Yeah.
Play with different styles, colors and textures.
Yeah.
Try mixing and matching bags with different outfits. to see what works for you.
Yeah.
You know? It's all about expressing your unique personality and creating looks that make you feel confident and amazing.
I love that. And don't forget to consider the practical aspects too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Think about your lifestyle.
Think about your lifestyle.
And the occasions you frequent.
Yeah. Do you need a bag that can carry your laptop and all your essentials?
Yeah. Do you need something hands-free?
Are you constantly on the go?
Right.
Yeah. Those are all good points.
Yeah. It's about finding that perfect balance between style.
Should not only look good.
And practicality.
But function well.
Yes. Exactly.
For your everyday needs.
Exactly.
Right.
Well said.
And, you know,
yes.
Remember, there are no hard and fast rules
There are no
when it comes to personal style.
Right.
So if you love a bag, that breaks all the conventions.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Do it.
The most important thing is that it makes you feel good.
Makes you feel good. Exactly.
Yeah, fashion's a form of self-expression.
It is.
And your bag is a reflection.
It's like an extension of you.
Of your unique personality.
Yes.
So embrace your individuality and have fun.
Yeah, have fun experimenting with different styles.
All different styles.
To find what truly resonates with you.
Yeah, we hope this deep dive has inspired you to reimagine your bag collection and explore the endless possibilities.
Yeah. There's a perfect bag out there for everyone and every occasion.
From classic totes to quirky crossbody bags.
To our wonderful listener.
Yes.
We encourage you to step out in style with a bag that not only complements your look, but also empowers you to take on the world with confidence.
Yes.
And a touch of flair.
I love that.
Yes.
You know, for me, it's that idea of seeing a bag as an investment.
Yeah.
You know, not just in terms of money, but like in terms of personal style and sustainability. You know, choosing well-made pieces that will last for years is so much more fulfilling chasing fleeting trends.
Absolutely. It's about shifting your mindset from like disposable fashion to pieces that you'll treasure for years to come. And it's not just about designer bags either.
That's so true. There are amazing artisans and independent designers out there, you know, creating these stunning bags.
With incredible attention to detail.
Yeah, and vintage shocks are a treasure trove.
Oh, yes.
You can find bags with so much history and character, often for a fraction of the price.
Sustainable approach.
Giving a pre-loved bag a new life feels good.
It does.
For your style and for the planet.
And for the planet.
It's a win-win.
Yes, it is.
But before we wrap up our deep dive into the world of bags, what's one piece of advice you would give to our listeners who are ready to step up their bag game?
I would say don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it.
Oh.
Play with different styles, colors, and textures.
Yeah.
Try mixing and mashing bags with different outfits to see what works for you. It's all about expressing your unique personality.
Yes.
And creating looks that make you feel confident and amazing.
I love that. And don't forget to consider practical aspects too. Think about your lifestyle and the occasions you frequent. Do you need a bag that can carry your laptop? All your essentials.
Do you need something hands-free?
Are you constantly on the go?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's about finding that perfect balance between style and practicality.
A bag should not only look good.
Yes, exactly.
But function well.
Well said.
For your everyday needs.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
And you know, remember, there are no hard and fast rules.
There are not.
When it comes to personal style.
No rules in personal style.
So if you love a bag and it breaks all the conventions, go for it.
Do it.
The most important thing is that it makes you feel good. Fashion is a form of self-expression.
It is.
And your bag is a reflection.
It's like an extension of you.
Of your unique personality. Embrace your individuality and have fun experimenting.
Yeah, have fun experimenting.
With different styles to find what truly resonates with you.
Absolutely.
We hope this deep dive has inspired you to reimagine your bag collection and explore the endless possibilities that are out there.
There's a perfect bag out there for everyone and every occasion. To our wonderful listener, we encourage you to step out in style with a bag that not only complements your look, but also empowers you to take on the world with confidence.
Yes.
And a touch of flair.
I love that.
Yes.
Happy bag hunting, everyone.
Happy bag hunting.